Welcome to the beautiful 4 BHK house. This is the main entrance of the house. Godrej safety locks has been used for the main entrance door for the safety purpose. This is the living room. LED lights has been used for the premium feel in the entire house. This is the living room area. The fourth bedroom has been converted into the hall space with attached balcony with some storage. This is the puja place. That's the second balcony of the house. It's a huge balcony. That's a TV unit. This is your dining space. This is an open kitchen with all the attached cabinets. Plus added the chimney. So you have a lot of space in the kitchen to keep your stuff. That's a water storage. It's a gas pipeline with attached window, and this is your dry area. This is the entire look of the kitchen. Kitchen has been fitted with the jaguar fittings. This is the common bedroom. It has attached cupboard. Very good quality of marine ply has been used for the furniture. This is the attached balcony. It's a huge balcony where you can keep your stuff for the storage. That's the entire look of the room with attached cupboard. The walls has wallpapers. All the walls of bedrooms and the living room has wallpapers. This is the common washroom with jaguar fittings, of course. This is master bedroom number 1. This is the entrance with attached huge cupboards. This is the attached balcony to it. Again, the walls has wallpapers, very premium quality and good looking wallpapers, all the bedrooms and the hall. This is the attached washroom. This is the master bedroom number 2. That's the passage of the bedroom. The LED lights has been used. Again, it has attached cupboard with the sliding doors and attached balcony. That's also a huge balcony. As you can see, the two cupboards have been set up in the balcony as well. Beautiful wallpaper has been used in the room and the passage as well. This is the attached washroom with the jaguar fittings and some storage. This is the water storage. Thank you so much for watching.